Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I made this Crumbl cookie review thumbnail using Canva on my iPhone for free. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing you're going to do is go into your search engine. I'm using Safari, and you're just going to search Crumbl cookies. And a bunch of images will pop up of a bunch of different Crumbl cookies. Now you just want to look for something where it has a bunch of the cookies laid out, just like this. This is a perfect example, or the one I'm going with is the next one I'm going to pop up on the screen, this one right here. And once you decide the one you want, you're just going to hold down on it and click Save to Photos. You can also search Crumbl cookies this week, and it will show you Crumbl cookies from the week that you're on, and it'll show you more accurate cookies to what your review might be about. So you can also do that as well, and just here are a few examples that you can use as well. But after you have the photo you want for the background, you are going to search Crumbl cookies box. Now, if you already took a photo of the box for your review, you do not have to do this step. This step is just if you do not have a photo of your box. There will be some examples here on the screen that you can use. If you already have a photo of the box for your Crumbl review, then you don't have to do this step, and we'll use that box instead in the thumbnail. So I end up going with this one right here. Once you decide on the one you want, you're just going to hold down on it and click Save to Photos. And the last thing you're going to do is search Crumbl cookies logo PNG. And it's going to be the first logo there. You're just going to hold down on it and click Save to Photos. Once you have all of those images, we can go into Canva, and you're going to click on the search bar at the top, and you're going to search YouTube thumbnail. And you're going to see one pop up. It's going to have the YouTube logo. You're going to click on that one, and then you're going to click the blank one with the plus sign, and this will pop up. From here, you're going to click on the blank rectangle, and you're going to click Replace. And you're going to add that image that we saved from Safari into the project, and this is the one that I went with. From there, you're going to take an image of yourself. It can be a photo like this where you're surprised. It could just be a selfie, whatever you like, and I'm going to show you 2 ways to erase the background of it. If you have Canva Pro, you can just click on the image and click on BG Remover, and it'll instantly remove the background for you, and you can do it this way. Or if you do not have Canva Pro, then from there, you can go to your eraser app or website. I have an eraser website always linked in the description below, but I am using Photoroom for this example, and it will just erase the background for you. You can click on transparent, and then you can save it to your camera roll, and we can go back into Canva. I'm just going to delete the old image. You're just going to click on camera roll, click on images, and then this image will be right here, and you can use this one. For my example, I'm going to do it using the Canva Pro version just because that's the version I like to use. But from there, what we're going to do is you're going to scroll until you find the option that says Effects, and you're going to click on that and then click on Shadows. And I'm going to click on the one that says Drop Shadow, but you can click on whichever one you think looks best for your image. And I just played around with the blur and angle amount, and you can play around with this until it looks best for yours, or you can just follow along and see what I end up doing. But this is what I end up going with, and that's how the image looks. And you can adjust it till you get it the way you want it to look. And from there, you're going to click on camera roll, and you're going to add the image of the box that you chose. To erase the background, you can do the same thing. I'm just going to click on BG Remover again for this one, but you can go back to the eraser app or website that you use. And then from there, I'm just scrolling until I find Effects, and I click on Shadow, and I just clicked on Drop Shadow again. From there, you can adjust the box the way you would like it to look. Your box might be a different shape or size, so just play around with it until you get it the way you would like it to look. And you can also scroll and use the nudge feature. It just allows you to move it up or down a little bit, and it's one of my favorite features. From there, you're going to scroll until you find positions, and you're going to put the box to the back. You can also go to layers, and as long as your image of yourself is at the top, the box in the middle, and the background at the bottom, that's how you know it's in the right order. From there, you're going to click on camera roll, and you are going to click on the Crumbl cookies logo that we saved, and you're going to make it bigger or smaller depending on how you would like it to look. And you're going to put it at the upper corner. And from there, you're going to go to Effects, go to Shadows, go to Outline, and you're going to put the outline to white. and I just put the size to about 15-ish or to whatever outline you like. And then from there, I decided I wanted my background to be a little more vibrant. So I scrolled until I found layers and I clicked on the bottom one, which is the background. And you're going to scroll until you find adjust. And I'm just playing around with the contrast and the vibrance. So you can just watch me do that. All it does is it makes the background stand out a little more. It makes the colors a little bit more vibrant. This is not a necessary step, but I just felt like the colors were a little dull for my taste. So I just wanted to make it a little more vibrant. So again, you can follow along. I do this for the background and I do it for the box. For the box, I just click on the box and I do the exact same steps. So you can kind of just watch me play around with it. Once you get the colors the way you would like them to look, you are just going to click on where it says text, and you are going to click on add a heading, and you're going to type whatever you want. I'm putting this week's review, but you can put is Crumbl cookie worth it? You could put my first time trying Crumbl, whatever you would like to put. From there, you're just going to click on where the fonts are, and we're just going to search the font Fredoka. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's spelled like this on the screen, and I'll also have it in the description below. And from there, you were just going to click on color and click on white, and then we're going to go to effects, and you're going to click on outline, and for the color, you're going to click on black. And I'm just putting the thickness to about 150-ish or to whatever you think looks best for yours. And then I'm just going to move it to the bottom, and I'm just going to click on where it says spacing. And then I'm just going to click on where it says letter spacing and drag it to about 263, whatever looks best for your words. And from there, I'm just going to make the words a little bit smaller by shrinking it down. And you can use the nudge feature by clicking whatever arrow you need. Once you are done adjusting it, this can be the final thumbnail, and you can click on PNG and download it, or I'm going to show you a step to make it a lot higher quality. All you got to do is once you're done saving the first image, you are going to scroll to the right, or you can zoom out and it'll create this new blank template, and you are going to click on where it says replace, and you're going to add the image that we just saved of the thumbnail. And you're just going to scroll until you find apps, and you're going to click on this one right here that says image upscaler, and you're going to scroll down and there'll be a 2x, 4x, and 8x option. If you're doing it 2x or 4x, it is free. 8x you do have to have pro. For this example, I'm going to use 8x, but you do not need to. You can use 4x if you don't have pro, but it's going to load. It'll take a couple of seconds to minutes, and you're going to notice it'll show a before and after. And you can scroll to see the difference. It will make the image a lot higher quality. It'll make the resolution a lot higher quality. I'm going to zoom in so you can see the difference. This is the finished one that I just hired the quality. This is the one that's a little bit blurry. And then this is the one after. You can just see it made the quality a lot higher. And again, this is not necessary, but this is if you want your thumbnail to be a lot higher quality. From there, you're going to make sure to save page 2, and you're going to save it, and this is going to be the final thumbnail.